Hello, Namaskar, and welcome again on Technology Mashups. Today, again, I am here with a new topic, that is binary arithmetic operations. As we all know that computer understands only the binary code, and the user, whatever he inputs any data, the input data is converted with some technologies into the binary code for the further processing, and this processing may be of various kinds in arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or binary numbers. Okay, so let's begin with the first, that is binary addition. Here I have written some points that will helpful for us. First, we are taking the binary addition. In binary, we are aware that we are having only two digits, that is 0 and 1. So we can take one operand, that is the addition sign, and we take two symbols A, B. It is just an example. You can take any other alphabet. First, that is 0 plus 0, it means 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. And 1 plus 1, it will not give you the 2. 1 plus 1 means that is the 10. And how we will write in addition, this one will go on carry. We are taking an example I have written here. So start the addition. 0 plus 1, that is written here. 0 plus 1 means 1. So we just write the 1. Again 0 plus 1 means 1. 0 plus 1 means 1. And 1 plus 0, again 1 plus 0 means 1. So the answer is 1, 1, 1, 1. Now we can take the example. In this we are using the carry. See, 1 plus 1 means 10. So but we can't write the 10 here. We just write 0 and 1 will go on the carry. Now we add this one. 1 plus 1, again 10. So this one will go here. 0 plus 1, 1. Okay. This 1 plus 1 makes 10. So here, that is the 10 comes. This one will move here. And 0 plus 1, 1. Again, 1 plus 1, 10. We cannot write the 10 here. Again 1 will move here. And this is 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Again 1 plus 1, here it will come 10, and 0 plus 1, 1. Now here this is the last carry. Here is no digit, so we can write 1 plus 0, 1. So your answer will 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Now we will move to the binary subtraction. Digits will be the same, 0 and 1. First we perform the 0 with 2, 0 with 0 and 0 with 1 in each. Whether it is binary addition or subtraction, multiplication. Now we are moving to binary subtraction. Here I make a table 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, and 0 minus 1 means 1. How it will come? In this case, we will borrow this one with the neighbor digit, that is 1 or 0. Like in addition, 1 plus 1 will make 10 and 0 minus 1 will give you 1. Take an example. 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 means 1. 1 minus 1 means 0. 1 minus 0 means again 1, and 1 minus 1 means 0. Okay. We can take another example. In this, we will perform the borrow function in binary subtraction. Here I can write like double 1, double 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. So your doubt will be more clear by this example. See, 0 minus 1 we cannot perform, but I have written 0 minus 1 will give you 1 with the help of one borrow function. So what we will do in this, we can take one borrow from this. So it will become 10. Okay. 1 minus 1, it will give you, and 10 minus 1 means 1. Now what will it become? It will become 1, and this one will turn into 0. And 1 minus 1, 0. And 0, this 0. Okay. This one will turn into 0. And 0 minus 0, again 0. It will not give any borrow, so it will 1. And 1 minus 0 means 1. Here similarly in the mathematical subtraction, what we will do, we just take the borrow from the neighbor digits. In this also we do the same process, but in the binary subtraction we have only two choices, 0 and 1. So if you are taking the 1 from this 0, then this 0 will be converted into 1 and this rest 1 will convert it into 0. Okay, your answer will always come in the 1 and 0 form. Now we move to the binary multiplication. Again, two digits 0 and 1. You just remember, binary multiplication is the simplest in comparison of addition and subtraction, because in this you will have to learn only the one condition, that is 1 multiply 1 will give you only 1 and the rest digits will give you 0. Whether it is 0 multiply 0 is 0, 0 multiply 1 is 1, 1 multiply 0 is always 0, and 1 multiply 1 will give you only 1. So we get 1 only in the one condition. So start with this example. Same mathematical operation. First you will multiply this one to the given 3 digits, then take the, in the new line, multiply this 1 to these 3 digits. Start with the 1. 1 multiply means 1 means 1 ones are 1. Okay. 1 multiply 0 means 0. 1 multiply 1, 1. Now put a multiplication sign next to this one and then start again this 1 multiply 1, 1, 1 0 0 and 1 1 1. What we will do? We just perform the addition function. In maths we also do the same process. 1 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1 and 1. So the answer will 1 1 1 1. Okay, this is the binary multiplication. Now we move to the binary division. The process is same that we do in the maths, but here we just remember that we are working on the two digits, that is 0 and 1. See, you can see that I have written the example 110 divided by 10. Okay, so we make in the maths like we perform this. We just write this 10 here. Okay, now what we will do, we will divide this 110 by the 10. So we can write 10 ones are 10. Okay, now perform the subtraction. 1 minus 0 1 and 1 1. Okay, now you just write down this 10 here. Now 10 ones are 10. Write 10 here. Again subtraction. 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 1 0. So your answer will 11. Okay, now we take a larger digits division. It will clear your more doubts. But for all these arithmetic operations you will have to learn the tables, and these tables are very easy. You will have to learn only 0 0. First you will I will give you the short trick to remember these tables, but first we are taking the example. Suppose like 1 0 0 1, we will divide this like this. Okay, 1 2 3 4 times 0 we are writing like 111. Okay, now start the division process. In the similarly in maths you can do. Here this is the 1001 and this is the 10,000, so we can't take this 0. So what we will do, first we write the 0 in the answer. Okay, so we can divide this till here. How many times we can divide it? Only one time. So you just write 1 here and write this 1001 like this. Okay, now perform the subtraction function. See, 0 minus 1 we can perform, but we will have to take the borrow. In this example we perform this. Okay, so you take this borrow from this, it will become the 10. 10 minus 1 means 1. Now it will also convert it into 1, and it also 1 minus 0 means 1. This will also 1. 1 minus 0 means 1. This will also 1. 1 minus 1 0. And this will, because this 1 is using in the borrow, and this will convert it into in 0. 0 minus 0 you can write 0. Okay, Now what we will do, we just write down this 1 here. Now it will become 1111 and this digit is 1001 only. So again one time we can divide it. We just write the 1 here, write this 1001, perform again the minus function, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 0 1 and 1 minus 1 again 0. Now this one we will write here. Okay, now it will become 1101. Again one time we can divide. You just write 1 here and write 1001 here. Now subtract 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0. This subtraction we are doing with the table that we write in binary subtraction. We are not doing this with the base of mathematics formula like in 1 minus 1 is 0. It is same, but 0 minus 1 we can take the borrow in this. Okay, so it will give you the 1. Remember this thing. Now again this one is also remaining, so we write this one here. We can like this, and what it will become 1001 and our digit is 1001. Again the last one we can write in the answer 1001. Now perform the minus, 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 1 0, 0 and 0. Okay, so this is the dividend and your quotient means your answer will be 0 1 1 1 1. Okay, hope you understand and like it. Again I am going to show you the pictures, that is the binary addition, binary subtraction, then we move on the binary multiplication and binary division, and we perform the examples that is based on the carry borrow form, and this is the binary division of large numbers. Okay, thank you.